Hi, Chelsea. Let's go ahead and go through your assignment. This is Michelle. With this one here, let's go ahead and look. The correct answer should be the multinodular goiter. So let's go ahead and see what you put in. So we have D61.3, which you have idiopathic aplastic anemia. That one there is from this first problem. So I don't know if you just got a few things mixed up on that. Okay, and then here again, the multinodular goiter. Yes, it is present on admission, so this should have been false. The patient did have it when they presented to, or when they were admitted. So again, just a couple small mistakes. So I look forward to you doing a great job in the course. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns.